Your 3D prints keep snapping? Today, we're putting 6 popular 3D printing filaments through real tensile strength testing, and some of these results shocked me. We tested PLA, Silk PLA+, PLA Plus 2.0, PETG, ABS, PA6CF. Every material was printed into the same standardized print settings for a fair comparison. 0.2 millimeters layer height, 100% infill, proper temperature settings for each filament. All samples were pulled apart using a professional tensile testing machine. Simply put, we're measuring how much force a material can take before it snaps. The machine slowly stretches the sample while recording. Tensile strength. Here's the big mistake most beginners make. Print temperature. Seriously, wrong temperature settings can cut your part strength in half. All right, enough talking. Let's break some filament. First up, SUNLU PLA. We will move through all 6 filaments one by one. PLA, Silk PLA+, PLA Plus 2.0, PETG, ABS, PA6CF. Final results are in, and trust me, the ranking is not what I expected.